Well, after weeks of anticipation, it is time to get going with the Manufacturing Institute. So, welcome. I am Dr. Wade Larson. So, you can just call me Wade. Wade, Mr. Larson, whatever. That's whatever you feel comfortable talking to me about is great. So, as we've explained, we are going to get going. So, Monday the 8th is going to be our first day. So, you have about a week and a half left. So, let's get ready to rock and roll. We're going to have a lot of fun over the 3 weeks of the program. It's going to be a lot of work, but that's because we're going to give you as much of an experience as possible within a short period of time. And that means that we pack it in tight. That's why we have to start on time. We'll end on time, but we're going to start on time every single day. So that's why it's important that you get there on time every day, because we are going to start and go, go, go. Now, that said, there's a lot of rewards that come along with it, and we pack a lot in. Now, most of these camps, they charge you, you go, you do some stuff. But again, we've had a lot of manufacturers that invest in this because we want to give you a crazy good experience. We want you to get in and immerse yourself in this experience so you can see what it's like from all angles of the business. We want you to see what it's like to use some of the technical aspects of manufacturing. We want you to see what it's like to design, to get into some operational sides of it, some management sides of it, to problem solve, critically think. You're going to work as a team. You're going to see it from all angles. We're going to get you out there and see a whole bunch of different companies and what it's like in there. You're going to be talking to executives, professionals in the industry. You're going to see all these different types of jobs. So again, whether you want to be there on the front lines in production, whether you want to be on the engineering side, you want to be on the business side, there are so many different careers available in the trades. We're going to expose you to a lot of them. We're also going to expose you to a lot of different companies in the area. You're going to see a lot. You're going to do a lot. You're going to learn a lot. All right. So that said, let's get some things going. A lot of you have turned in your forms already. If you haven't had your forms turned in, I need those like right now. For those of you who are worried about what do I do on the first day, if you're in Newport, I need you there at or before 8 o'clock. Got to get there at 8 o'clock. Bus is going to leave from Newport at or before, and got to get that thing going, okay? Because we need you down here at East Valley High School ASAP. You're going to spend the day down here at East Valley, and then we'll get you back on time. Those of you who are here at East Valley High School, need you there right at 8 o'clock so we can get you in, get you through the process to get you set up, and we're going to go, go, go. Okay, so that's important. All right, day one, we'll feed you lunch. Don't have to bring lunch. Also, we'll have T-shirts for you. Wearing our T-shirts is part of the program. It's part of your uniform. So don't worry, they're not ugly T-shirts, but we will have a place for you to change. So don't worry about that. Every day you're going to be required to wear the T-shirts. That's part of the deal. Don't wear anything that's inappropriate for the shop. So we need long pants. We need closed-toed shoes. So no sandals or anything like that. But bring your good attitude, bring your good face on. We're going to have a lot of fun. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. You all have my email. You have my phone number within my email, and I'm happy to answer those questions. But we're looking forward to having you. So have a great weekend. Enjoy this coming week, and there will be a message or two coming. But in the meantime, just have some fun. We're looking forward to seeing you. Take care.